my name is Mika Munoz, 29 years old. I had a brain tumor, astrocytoma grade 2. During the previous employment, I had several headaches. So talagang masakit yung ulo ko. Parang, I don't know if nasistress ako or what, pero talagang sumasakit yung ulo ko palagi. So moving forward, I was driving, and then, yun na yun. Nawalan ako ng malay during that day. Ang nangyari was that, nawalan ako ng malay when I drove my mom going to Philinvest. And then, pagising ko, nasa left lane na ako. Tumalsik na yung manubela, the brakes, natanggal. And then, a lot of people, maraming nakatingin. Actually, wala akong sugat that time. Wala kahit ano. Ang meron lang, sorry, doon sa right leg ko, masakit. What I did was, tinawagan ko kagad yung mom. Nirefer nung kapitbahay namin na meron siyang kilala na neurologist doon sa isang hospital in Las Piñas. Her name is Dr. Grace Serrano. Ang sabi ni Dr. Grace during that time, meron siyang i-recommend na doctor here in Makati Med. Yun ay si Dr. Michael Sabalsa. Pero nung time na yun, hindi ko akalain or hindi namin akalain ng mom ko na it was first seizure sa harap ni Dr. Grace, which we didn't expect na mangyayari. And then after noon, talagang nirecommend niya kagad na magpa-check up kami here in Makati Med. Nagpa-check up kami kay Dr. Michael, diba? And then he recommended to undergo MRI. So after Dr. Michael Sabalsa, nirecommend niya rin kami kay Dr. Lourdes and team to have my memory test. After the MRI, so we again went to Dr. Michael, and then he recommended to undergo the brain surgery. Brain craniotomy kasi it's awake craniotomy operation. Tapos, the day of my surgery is March 16. So, nung time na sinundo na ako ng mga nurses, dumiretso na kami sa room. Tapos, I forgot lang kung paano ba nila ako sinakay, pero nalipat na ako sa bed. Tapos, habang kinakausap ako nung anesthesiologist ko, si Dr. Rafael, kinakausapan niya ako, and then, siguro, in-inject na yung anesthesia. Tapos, pagising ko na lang, may mga kumot na. And then, that's the time na sasagot na ako ng questions from Dr. Lourdes and the team. So, ayun, nakasagot naman ako. It's actually, nung time na nag-pre-examination pa ako, may mga hindi ako nasagot. Hanggang sa, nasagot ko lahat. Siguro kung may mali lang, baka 2 mistakes. Based dun sa naalala ko, habang tinatanong ako, ginagalaw ako ni Doc Michael. Alam mo yung feeling na hindi masakit. Pero parang, parang mga metal lang na ganun-ganun. And then after that, nung tapos na yung questions, hindi ko na lang naramdaman na tapos na yung opera. Talagang dumaan ako sa point na which is hindi ko pinakita sa family ko na mawalan ng pag-asa. But then, si Lord, hindi ako pinabayaan. Even my angels. And of course, with the help of my family, my relatives, my friends of friends, for those who have helped me, for those who prayed for me, and of course, with the help nila Dr. Michael Sabalsa and the team, Dr. Lourdes and her team, Dr. Grace and her team, talagang pinalakas ako ng loob. And then, sa help ng Makati Med, hindi ako pinanghinaan ng loob. Kasi talagang lumakas yung loob ko dahil, syempre, galing ako dito, dito ako pinanganak. Alam kong hindi ako papabayaan. May brain tumor or hindi pa alam or alam na ngayon. Siguro wag kayo pang hinaan ng loob. Kasi hindi ito ibibigay sa atin. Hindi niya to ibibigay sa atin if hindi natin kakayanin.